Good morning, students. We are back to our maths classes. So, how are you, all of you? This time, I am going to start fractions. I hope everybody has learned fractions in the lower classes. You have learned, isn't it? But actually, वो fractions में जैसे divided होता है, वैसे ही हमारी knowledge भी थोड़ी बहुत divided रहती है. Now, to understand the basic thing, what fraction is, let us see what fraction is today. Whenever we talk about fraction means a simple sentence everybody knows, a part of a whole. Part of a whole. Part of a whole. Okay, part of a whole means if you take one thing and divide it into different parts, that means we have made fraction of those parts. Okay, we have made fraction of those parts. For example, normally it has become a tendency like whenever you ask somebody what fractions are, so we straight away come to a circle. Okay, and we assume let it be a cake or a pizza, right? And this is one pizza or one cake, we say. This is one cake. Okay, this is one. But if I talk about, if I divide this from the middle, if I divide it from the middle, this cake is divided into two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. That means it has been divided into two parts. One thing has been divided into two parts, right? If I ask, what is this part? If I talk about this part, this shaded part, okay? This is one part out of these two parts. There are two parts. Out of this, this is one part. So in fraction, we write in one part is the part which has been asked, which has been selected, that is the shaded one. And upon, divided by, out of how many parts? In total, there were two parts, 1 and 2. So we write 2. So this shaded part is 1 by 2. That means one part out of 2. In the same way, this unshaded part is also 1 out of 2. That means out of two parts, one part is unshaded. Out of two parts, one part is shaded. If we combine these parts, we get the full cake. So that means what? Half is this and half is this. If we add these two, what do we get? 1. We get 1. In the same way, now if suppose I divide this into 4 equal parts. I divide this into 4 equal parts. This is first part, second part, third part and fourth part. If I talk about this part, say this is one part. Out of how many? So out of 4. This is also 1 out of 4. So in all 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. If I add these all 1/4s, that means 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1. Okay? This is clear to you? And again now, if I divide only this half part into 2, okay? Now this is the half part, say, I have taken. This half part I have further divided into two parts. This was 1 upon 4 and this was 1 upon 4. That means 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 add up to give you half. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay? Now it is not that when we are talking about fraction, so you will take only circle to explain things. but circle is more convenient to understand. Ab I am dividing this circle into, this is the 4 parts I have divided into. Further I am dividing it. So in how many parts I have divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have divided it into 8 equal parts. Each part represents 1 out of 8. This is 1 out of 8, 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 this is also 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8. If you add all these, you get 1. If I have to represent this part, suppose this is a cake, I divided it into 8 equal parts and I offer you 1 part. That means you took, suppose, this part.